Have you ever been in a room where everyone is introducing themselves one by one and your turn is coming up next? Don't worry. Today, in part 3 of our series, you'll learn how to introduce yourself confidently in group settings and at networking events. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 yet, the links are provided in the description. We covered classic, casual, and professional introductions in the earlier parts. Let's start with group introductions, like in classrooms, workshops, orientation programs, or training sessions. In group settings, everyone is sharing something about themselves. So your goal is to be clear, brief, and memorable. Start with your name and role. For example, hi everyone, I'm Meera. I'm studying psychology at Mumbai University. Add one short detail about what brings you there. I joined this workshop to improve my presentation skills, or I'm excited to learn more about leadership. You may also add one personal interest, but keep it short. I enjoy playing badminton in my free time. Here's a complete group introduction example. Hello, I'm Nikhil. I work as a sales executive at Star Group. I'm here to sharpen my communication skills. And outside work, I enjoy trekking. Group introductions are about clarity and purpose. Avoid long details, people won't remember them. Now let's look at networking introductions at meetups, industry mixers, conferences, or seminars. Networking is all about connection. You don't need a long introduction, just something confident and engaging. Start with your name and your work. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm a product designer. Then add a value statement, something that explains what you do in simple words. I design user friendly digital experiences, or I help startups build intuitive apps. Next, add a short, warm question to start a conversation. What brings you to the event? Or are you also working in tech? Here's a complete example. Hi, I'm Rajat. I'm a finance consultant helping small businesses manage budgets better. What line of work are you in? One more. Hello, I'm Sarah. I specialize in social media marketing. What inspired you to join this event today? Networking introductions should feel natural, not scripted. Keep them light and conversation friendly. Let's recap. Group introductions, name, role, purpose, one personal detail. Networking introductions, name what you do, simple value statement, a warm question. Which situation makes you more nervous, group introductions or networking events? Tell me in the comments below. This completes our 3-part series on how to introduce yourself confidently in English. If you missed parts 1 or 2, go watch them now, links in the description. And remember, you can practice all these introductions every day with Vanim, your free AI English speaking tutor. Download the app and start improving today.